Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to generate a velocity chart in Jira. Let's get started. First, go to Jira and log in your account. This section will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on your preferred Scrum project. In this new tab containing your project, click on the Reports tab from the navigation menu above. If it's not visible for you, click on the plus icon at the end of your navigation menu to open this pop-up, and you should see your Reports tab in here. Next, click on your Reports tab, and in this new page, click on the Velocity Report option. When you open this chart, it will automatically generate and display the velocity data of your project sprints, and this will only become available for you once you've marked a sprint complete. The data shown in this chart provides a side-by-side comparison of the work estimated versus the work actually completed in sprints. And that is how you can generate a velocity chart in Jira. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.